Crochet besties, I'm so excited to show you these. The pattern is from Bag O'Day Crochet, an awesome crocheter. On this app, what she does is that she shows you how to make step by step beanies. And what I did is I took the beanie, I made her beanie. I went to the dollar store and I bought these decals. They're iron-on decals. They have a lot of different varieties of them. I took them, did her pattern, like she said, and I ironed on the decals. Isn't it amazing? Check these out. Look at that. Imagine for your children, for yourself, for gifts. What I did was I used a 5 millimeter. I followed her pattern. Let me let you know how many rows I did for my head. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I did 13 rows to match my head. And I followed her pattern and I just customized it. Bessie, do not be scared to go out there, find a pattern, follow it, and customize it for yourself how you like it. So y'all go check her out. I'm going to tag her below in the description section. I'm so obsessed with these beanies. So y'all run to the dollar store and see what y'all dollar store have. And make y'all a beanie. You can make the beanie to match it. You can customize it to match your iron you find. So check these out. Also, I'm going to be doing a tutorial real soon showing you how to crochet one of these. Real easy and simple. I'm going to show each thing in details like the magic circle and everything. So, Bessie, stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and share. Comment. So, any suggestions? I'm new here. It's just my second YouTube video. And I'm honored to be here. And thanks for taking time out your day to watch me crochet, besties. And all right, I'll see you later. And go out there and get the hooking. Have some fun. All right.